Hi, my name is Will. I'm from Edwards Sound Systems, and what I've got here today is the Micker Pro portable system. This is the ultimate portable sound system you will ever need. If you're a celebrant or a teacher or just somebody who does presentations in general, this is what you need. It's a microphone and an amplifier and speaker in one. This has got a 10-watt amplifier in it, and it will easily do 30 to 40 people, and even more than that in the right conditions. It only weighs 300 grams, which makes it easy to handle and even to hang onto this included lanyard. Also very easy to use. You just turn it on with the on switch and you're good to go. It's got 3 different volume settings: low, medium and high, an echo function, and even a buzzer to get your listeners' attention. If you open up this rubber cover, you'll find an input for an external microphone or a phone or a music player, and a USB port to charge the unit, maybe on your way to your ceremony or in your car. You can also charge the unit by placing it on the charging cradle. Now, if you need any more information on this, please visit our website